Hello and welcome to Something About Kitchens by Mary. My name is Mary Regan and I am the owner of Wayside Kitchens, your source for beautiful kitchens. Brittany, why don't you show us around now what's inside the cabinets?
Okay.
So why don't we start with the island here?
The island here is actually a great space. I think sometimes when you think about islands, they're maybe facing the other way, the more horizontal way. I like that it's this long vertical way because as we're cooking on the stove, you can turn around here and have all your prep space. So I have, my cooking tools are ready to go here. Some great storage. We also have, just like my oven mitts and things.
That's
dish
awesome.
Towels.
Right across from the cooktop. I mean, from the stove, right?
Yeah. And bottles. You have a baby.
Babies.
So that stuff is easy to get. And then we have just some additional. This drawer is one of my favorites. It's a deep drawer.
Oh,
it held
nice.
a toaster, extra storage in here of things that we need. But I especially love two things. One, we have electrical, so it's really nice if you wanted to plug something in on the island here.
Cool.
I had said that I wanted to hide the microwave, maybe in like a pantry or in like some of the drawers there. I knew I needed one for the occasional use, but I did not want to see it anywhere. And I didn't want it, especially over my range.
Oh my God, yeah, no.
And so we went with the under the counter, and I love it so much. It's hidden. The drawer is actually really nice. It's like a
with the soft close, right?
Yeah,
Nice.
You just tap it.
Right, nice.
It's really easy to use. It's nice and tucked away underneath here. And
Have you had any problems with cleaning it? Like people complain about it?
Not really.
Not really. Okay.
I would say that I'm not a huge microwave cooker.
Okay.
So like the things that we're putting in here are really to like just quickly reheat or anything like that. We're not like using it. I'm not putting like a huge bowl of red sauce in here to let it explode.
Gotcha.
So it's good for what we needed to, like when we pop popcorn. My daughter's a big fan of popcorn, or just defrosting something. But I haven't had any problems.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good. All right, so you want to show me the fridge area since we're so close here.
This is my favorite. So we moved the fridge completely opposite walls, and we have a much larger fridge than what's in here. But my biggest thing is I love all of this extra storage that we have on either side.
Not to mention the surroundings that look pretty.
And so having these doors, and then I love all the shelving, being able to pull out and then push back in, and it's the soft close. When my daughter comes over here, she gets all of her favorite snacks.
Oh, that's perfect.
And then, I have my cookbooks up here, lots of good storage.
Beautiful.
And then up here, we have more like our pitchers and serving items that we can store.
Nice.
Which is great. And it's very deep, it goes back a lot. Like I even have a lot of our appliances, so my air fryer and my blender are up here.
Beautiful, that's perfect.
And then more of our dry pantry storage in here, like canned goods and things. But I mean, you were just saying I have so much extra space too. I still haven't filled it all. And then it's so nice having the deep fridge in here now too, having a lot of space with the French door.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So now tell me about the stool over here.
So, our island is not an eat-in island, but my daughter likes to help do a lot of projects in the kitchen. So when she comes over, we just sort of slide it over so she can, go up here and help us do, mixing and cutting and chopping. And then it just goes right back.
That's
in
perfect.
here.
That's a perfect
little
for her.
little space. It's
so she
out
can
of the way
reach. Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Any other cabinets that we can show that you are happy with? Like
So I would say the Lazy Susan is really great over here.
Isn't that the best way to store stuff in the corner?
It
It's
really
like,
is.
oh
So
my
I have
God.
actually all my pots and pans in here, and they fit great.
Mm-hmm.
And you can turn.
That's awesome.
Be able to open them, so that's really good.
So it fits a lot, even
It does,
though
it's very
it's
deep.
like, it doesn't seem like it does, but it
No.
sure does.
So I have like all my pots and pans plus all the lids like lined up in there and everything in a rack, so it's huge. And then
That's
same
awesome.
thing up here, so this has like
Oh, that one
my
takes on a lot too. That's my
water
favorite.
bottle storage and
Yeah.
some extra, larger items for cooking that we're grabbing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and then
Perfect.
just some extra spices and things next to the stove.
Mm-hmm.
I also really love these drawers, the deep drawers over here.
What do you put in there? Let
So
me see.
this is like my
Oh.
bakeware or glass like servingware,
That's awesome. Perfect.
Pyrex. And then down below here on the bottom one, we have like some of my, like big serving plates and
Nice.
dishes, the chip and dip bowl.
Nice.
And so that's easily accessible like when we have people over or entertaining.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Beautiful.
closes right back in. This one's a little heavy, but it goes
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But that's okay. They can
And
take
then-
50 pounds of abuse.
obviously my biggest one, we did not have trash before, and having the trash is amazing. No trash cans. I had a ton of space too, like just so much space. These have been in storage, but they were my antique china. I was able to now take it
I
out
love that.
and I can use it all. It all fits.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Love that.
Lovely storage.
I love it. Much better than the closet, right?
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
The closet was just,
And then
oh,
yeah,
perfect.
all my glasses. Yeah.
Wow.
Lots
Amazing.
of storage space. It worked out really well.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow. Impressed.
Thanks.
We want to thank Brittany for taking the time to give us a tour of her beautiful new kitchen. We also wish them and her and her family nothing but the best. And we wish that they make many, many wonderful memories in their beautiful new space. We want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we welcome comments. And we also want to let you know that if you're looking to do a kitchen renovation, we might be the people for you. And we hope that you consider us for your project. Again, thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye.